Today I'm going to be unboxing my Cocotique boxes that my aunt and my mother so lovingly tailored for myself. I have 2 so far. I'm supposed to get 1 more, but I figured I'll just film that in another video. Now, if you're like me, you did not know what Cocotique was until you got a Cocotique box or until you were sent the link to your gift. So if you are like me and you did not know, Cocotique is a beauty box subscription service for women of color, and it was founded by a woman of color, a Black woman whose name is Dana. I hope it's pronounced Dana. If it's not, I'm so sorry. But it's their company, and they curate the best beauty and self-care products for you. I don't know what they put on my little, you know, I guess form so that they could pick out the best products for me to send in these boxes, but I think they did a pretty good job. The first box came like this. It was a box inside of a box, and let's see what's in here. So hold on. So first we have this Urban Therapy Innate Hair Care Collection Fix Hold Mist. Hold on, this thing is not focused. And let's see how it smells. Like a hairspray. It's kind of strong. Then we have this Hawaiian Silky Collection Triple Butter Hydrate and Define Curl Whip Foaming Mousse. And I like, let's see, I almost said I like this. I've never even used this. This smells good. It reminds me of a vacation. Then we have this Kiss New York Pro Touch Glow and Bronze Cream for face and body. I'm not gonna smell this. I don't feel like that has a smell. That's just my opinion though. Then we have Sweet Spot Coconut Lime On The Go Wipes. Made by women for women naturally. That's what it says on here. But yeah, we got this. And I'm not gonna open that. Then we have this Ruby, I'm sure it's Ruby Kisses by Kiss holographic lip gloss. That is cute. I like that. Then I have 2 jars of this Aveda Intense Strengthening Mask. It's a hair mask. This is a hair mask. These are small, y'all. So this is how they look. I mean, I understand why they sent 2, but I'm still concerned. Is 2 gonna be enough? I just accidentally touched my nose with this. It smells, I'm opening the other one like it's not gonna smell the same. It smells like, I can't describe it. It doesn't have that, oh my gosh, it smells so good smell though. I will say that. Then I have this MD Solar Sciences Mineral Tinted Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's really, really small. Luckily, it's a, well, I can't smell it. It has this little thing on here, but luckily I don't use a lot on my face. So it says for all skin types, including acne prone and sensitive, water resistant for 80 minutes, in a matte finish. Then we have this I do not need to breathe. This Skin Republic Gold Hydrogel Mask or Mask Hydrogel. Yeah, that'll definitely be something I do a review on. And then last, but certainly not least, it came in this. It's twice toothpaste, and I still have them right here. So you have the morning one and the night one. And these are the only two things that I have used out of this box so far. So, what does it say on here? It says whitening, cavity protection, sensitivity relief, gum and mouth health, strengthen enamel, no SLS paraben, and it's charcoal free. So it says awaken with early bird, winter green, and peppermint. And then you have unwind with twilight, peppermint with vanilla and lavender. And so far I like these. They don't have like a taste that is bad, because I've had some toothpaste where it's just, because me, if it tastes bad, even though I'm just brushing my teeth, I'm not gonna use it. I can't do it. I have to brush my teeth for 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes of torture. It's not worth it. But I like them so far. I wouldn't say this one really wakes me up or this one really relaxes me. I can't say that. I only use them for like a week or two. But I like them. So if you're looking for a nice little toothpaste and you like to have something for morning and something for nighttime, go ahead and get you some. Okay, I'm actually gonna try this lip gloss out. Luckily I have a mirror right here. Okay, it's a yes for the lip gloss. I'm moving on to the second box, or yeah, the second box. So it actually came in this cute bag that says spread love, kindness, and compassion. Cocotique, self-care in a box. Oh, and I forgot. On this box, it says, we are obsessed with bringing you the best in beauty and helping you discover your ultimate beauty arsenal. Self-care in a box. Love Cocotique. Okay. The second box has, well, first, there is the Dove Amplified Textures Twist and Moisture Shaping Butter Cream for Coils and Curls. There we go. Cute. Let me just smell this. This smells really good. But it's super watery. Like, for it to be a cream, it's very liquid-like. I don't know if y'all can really see that. I'm trying not to spill it, but it's very liquid-like. But I'll definitely be doing a review on this. Lord, don't let it mess up my hair. I'll be very upset. Then we have this Hask Curl Care Intensive Deep Conditioner. Maintains and protects curls. There we go. Let me smell this. It smells good. It smells like a vacation to me. That one does, yeah. That one smells like a vacation to me as well. Oh, I'm over here and twisting it already. Then we have this Eden Body Works Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo. This one smells really good too. I really like that. I'm excited to use that. I've seen some reviews about that line, so hopefully it lives up to the hype. Then we have this Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. This bottle is really small. Let's see how this smells. This doesn't really have a smell to me. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell to me. What else is in here? Then we have this Cherish Premium Sanitary Napkins pads. Nighttime at that. I think that's really cool that these are nighttime. And there's 8 in here. Okay. I'll be trying those out at some point. Oh, okay. Look at me, I'm smelling it before I even tell you all what it is. So this is Vitabath Lavender and Chamomile Body Cream. 82% improved skin moisture. It's really small too. But it smells good. I forgot to say that. So next we have Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. Cocoa butter and biotin length retention 2-step hair mask. Step 1 is a deep conditioning mask, deep conditions and moisturizes, and then step 2 is a protective glaze that seals cuticle for incredible shine. So this is them. This is how it looks and everything. I can't smell it. And then the last thing is this hand sanitizer. Embellies. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the name right there. Glare all up in there. But it's hand sanitizer. And out of everything in that box, this is the only thing that I've used, and I'm actually gonna use some now. But it has a consistency of a regular hand sanitizer. Look at me trying to show everything. It almost went down my arm. But one thing I will say about this hand sanitizer that's different than most hand sanitizers is that it doesn't have that hand sanitizer smell, which I really like. That's what really has drawn me to this. It doesn't have that harsh alcohol smell. It actually smells pleasant in my opinion. And yeah, that's all I have to say about it. Like, if you're looking for something that doesn't have a harsh alcohol smell, that also kills the germs during these crazy times, this is something that I would recommend. I don't know the prices for any of this stuff. Yeah, I don't know the prices of any of this stuff. Oh wait, some prices on the back here on this. So these 2 cards came with the second box. So for that Hask Curl Care Intensive Deep Conditioner, it's $5.99 for the full size. That's what it says. For that hand sanitizer that I was talking about, it is $8.99 for the full size, and that's apparently this is the full size because it says 10.1 fluid ounces. And then for the little body cream, that was not the full size, but the full size is only $8.99. That's actually really good. And the full size is 8 fluid ounces. But yeah, that was everything in that box. I'm actually going to end this video off reading the little card that was sent, because I did just read it, but I didn't read it out loud, but I just thought it was really cute. So it says, happy month of love, my loves, and happy Black History Month. Piggybacking on last month's box, this box is also filled with some of your most loved products and a couple of new ones to add to your self-care arsenal. Every so often, I like to send you subscriber faves so you can replenish your stock. My message to you this month is to be beacon of light and spread love, kindness, and compassion wherever you go. You never know what someone else is going through, and how your light can help brighten up their day. Stay positive, stay kind, and have a little grace for yourself and others. As always, I love to hear from you, so please don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. XO Dana. Again, I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's D-A-N-A. But yeah, that's it for this video. Of course, I will upload demos and reviews for these products, unless you will all know my thoughts, feelings, opinions, how my body reacts, and all that good stuff. But that's it for this video. I will see you all in the next one.